Namaste. Welcome to Tungal IIT JEE Medical Academy at Vijaypur campus, started in 2015, with two students joining the batch and both of them getting into medical. During this 5 years of journey, with its sincere and dedicated staff, the academy is helping many medical aspirants of North Karnataka to become doctors who have marginally missed their seats in the first attempt. I feel pleasure to share that today most of the students from every batch are pursuing their medical course in various government medical colleges of the state. What makes Tungal Academy different is the schedule which is strictly followed to complete the portion within the time and to give the revision to the students. The teacher-students interaction, which is very friendly, where the teachers help the students clear all their doubts. Topic-wise, study hours are conducted to clear all the doubts. Weekly need pattern exams are conducted. Result analysis is done and the students are counseled for their weaker areas. Parents-teachers interaction to keep the parents updated with their ward's performance and attendance. The special highlight of the academy is the financial support which is offered to the medical aspirants from economically weaker sections.
Studying second year MBBS in Gadag Institute of Medical Science, Gadag. I had joined Tungal College in 2017-18 batch. In my first attempt, I had scored 352 and rank was around 4000. In the second attempt, I had scored 432 and my rank was around 1300. Tungal is one of the best college for students' bright future. And teachers are so friendly and they supported us, they inspired us and they inculcated knowledge in us. Especially doubt sessions were so helpful. I personally have asked a number of questions and they came to our mind of thinking and made sure that we are perfect with the topic. And whether the college hours or off the college hours, they were so kind that even if we ask the same question for 10 times, they would say with the same enthusiasm. And whenever we feel low of ourselves, all the teachers and principal ma'am would be in front of us to support us. So I'm really blessed to have such principal teachers and to be the part of Tungal. Thank you for everything.
Myself Akshata Pawar. I am recently studying MBBS at Karnataka Institute of Medical Sciences, Hubballi. I took long term in Tungal College, Vijaypur in the batch of 2017-18. When I first attempted my NEET score was 300 out of 720 with a state rank of 3500. When I joined the Tungal College for long term and when I attempted the NEET for the second time, my NEET score was 517 with a state rank of 298. of the teachers over there, student-friendly teachers, especially Talli ma'am, who could take individual care of each and every student. When I felt down of myself, they used to help us in overcoming my stress and to know my strength. I am really proud and grateful for studying in such an institute with a positive environment and the constantly supporting, guiding teachers over there who brighten my days. Thank you everyone.
So hello students, my name is Nagu. I came from Vijayawada. So previously I have that 10 years experience in chemistry. So previously I handled that many batches and that one this is out of 10 years. The 4 years of working in Vijayawada Narayana colleges. Then after that working in Goa and Mumbai Akash branches. And after that I came to this Tungal college.
Namaste everyone, myself Yagneshwar. I am a physics faculty in Tungal College. I am working in Tungal from 7 years. Total my experience will be the 11 years. I started my career in 2009.
Myself Lakshmi Manjani, proud to be a student of Tungal. I did my PU as well as long term in Tungal PU Science College, Vijaypur. I did my long term in the year 2016-17. 347 out of 720 was the marks scored during first attempt and the state rank was 3800. After doing my long term in Tungal, I scored 469 out of 720 and the state rank was 1100. Presently, I am doing my MBBS in BIMS Belagavi.
Lastly, at Tungal Academy, we work with honesty, commitment, integrity, and help the medical aspirants to become future doctors of the nation. Thank you.